This accessory is the engine protection cone, designed by Grin for its lawnmowers. In this case, you see it already assembled. It's located inside the deck and embraces the engine shaft. What is its use? When mowing, sometimes incidents can happen when the mowing blade hits an object. This can be a stone, a root, or even a manhole, or the pavement. In this case, the greatest damage is a bent engine shaft, resulting in lengthy and costly repairs. The Grin engine protection cone minimizes this damage. But to understand how it works, let's go outside and put it to the test. We are at the company's test area. Together with a Grin technician, we will do a crash test with a PM53. We want to test how the engine protection cone works. Let's take a steel peg and plant it in the ground. We turn on the engine and go over it. The impact with the blade is very hard. On a normal lawnmower, this would cause irreparable damage. This does not happen with the engine protection cone fitted as standard on the Grin PM53. The hit is absorbed by the special Grin frame, and the engine shaft does not bend. Let's take the blade adapter and replace it with a new one. This operation can be done by the user, quickly and directly, on site. This way, there's no machine downtime or costly repairs, and you're immediately ready to restart mowing. As you have seen outside, we simulated an incident using an iron peg. In this way, we created a very violent hit. We could have done this also with a stone or a piece of wood. The engine protection cone is fitted as standard on the entire Grin professional line, but can be mounted as an option on all combustion engine mowers. Who is it recommended for? It's recommended for those who use a lawnmower for professional purposes, for those who mow uneven lawns, or simply for users who are particularly distracted. Attention! This crash test was performed by skilled technicians and with the necessary safety measures. Do not try this intentionally, as this could be dangerous.